what we got. Oh, look at proper installation on, that's improper. Improper installation, improper. You don't want to ever do that on a roof. This is improper. It's improper right now.
888-7663 Stellar Roofing.
Hi, this is Rick with Stellar. We're on our way to a project over in North Chili. We're gonna go meet the crew there, get them set up, talk with the homeowner, and make sure that everything is smooth, gonna go correctly, the way we always do. The asphalt roof we're going to take care of today has potential leaks. It has certain kind of ventilation problems that we're gonna have to address when we get there. We're gonna go up on top of the roof with the crew boss, go over a couple things. We always bounce some ideas off each other, that way we know that we're both on the same page. It's imperative that we do that, that way the homeowner gets the job that they paid for. Shortly we're gonna be pulling up to the job, and then we'll go greet the customer, make sure they know who we are.